This Daignault Realty Incorporated property video is presented by Isel Nevins. This value-priced home is located in the Springs of Suntree, a resort-style community. The versatile floor plan has 3 bedrooms, 2 baths. A spacious kitchen overlooks the gathering room and breakfast dining area. Screened patio provides plenty of outdoor-The overlooking the lake.Community center is a short walk away for those who want to enjoy an active lifestyle. Numerous amenities include 2 swimming pools, a tennis/pickleball court, shuffleboard, and basketball courts, a playground, and fitness center. Schedule a visit today and see why this is a great place to enjoy the good life. Seller doesn't pay customary closing cost including title policy, escrow fees, survey or transfer fee. This property may qualify for seller financing. Vandee program. 1894220. For more information, review the details below or contact Isel Nevins at 321-537-3956.